Hey there, savvy investors. If you're new to the world of investing and want a simple, hands-off way to grow your money, you're going to love this guide on how to invest with Betterment. Betterment is a leading robo-advisor platform that uses smart algorithms to manage your investments, making it perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is Betterment? It's an online service that automates investing for you. Instead of picking stocks yourself, Betterment creates a diversified portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. This means less stress and more potential for steady growth. Getting started is easier than you might think. Step 1. Head over to the Betterment website and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide some basic info like your email and create a password. Once you're in, the platform will ask you a series of questions about your financial situation. Be honest here. Things like your age, income, and how much risk you're comfortable with will help Betterment tailor your investments. Next, decide how much you want to invest. You can start small, even with just $10, and link your bank account for easy transfers. Betterment will then build a portfolio for you, typically consisting of low-cost exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that spread your money across stocks, bonds, and other assets. One of the best parts? It's all automated. Betterment rebalances your portfolio as needed and even adjusts for tax efficiency to maximize your returns. Now, let's talk benefits. Betterment charges low fees, usually around 0.25% annually, which is way cheaper than traditional advisors. Plus, it's accessible 24/7 through their app, so you can track your progress anytime. But remember, all investments come with risks, like market fluctuations, so only invest what you can afford to lose. In summary, Betterment makes investing straightforward and effective. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, sign up today and start building wealth the smart way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more investing tips. See you next time.